A very warm hello to all you beautiful souls. You're listening to me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader and an emotional health advisor. And today I'm here to talk about a new full moon ritual. So, whenever the full moon arrives, it comes with an incredible opportunity to harvest powerful energy, which you can use in many areas of your life. The plentiful energy of a full moon can help you release all that does not serve you. It helps you manifest, it helps you rejuvenate your body and your soul. So, this can be done in many ways and by following different rituals. And one of them is the full moon water ritual. People choose it when they literally want to drink the energy of the moon. According to research, water has tremendous potential of gathering information. It can hold on to a lot of information. This means that water can absorb the energy of thoughts and intentions and also various different astrological events too. Therefore, charging water during full moon is very powerful. The full moon water has got healing properties. Apart from providing healing in the physical areas, it is also used to cleanse the low energies and balance your chakras. The process is simple, but you need to take care of your intention and your energy because it's your own energy that will affect the water the most. So it is better that you meditate before the process with positive energies, with pure thoughts. Make sure that your energy field is grounded and is balanced. Once you feel balanced, what you need to do is take a glass container. Okay, it could be a glass bottle, it could be a glass pitcher, it could be a glass jar, anything. What is more important that it has to be clear, it has to be transparent. Is considered as the purest form, okay, of material that one can use. So avoid plastic, preferably glass, and it has to be see-through, it has to be transparent so that the energy will flow directly from the moon straight into the water. So fill this container with as much filtered water as you can. You can use your AquaGuard water or any filter water, your mineral water, because you can drink this water later on. So fill it up to the topmost brim with water, clean pure water. And after filling up the container, what you can do is you either lid it up, put the lid on, or if you do not want to put a lid and cover it because of the metal, what you can do is just put a plastic wrap on it and secure it with a rubber band. Now, once this is done, this clear, transparent, water-filled glass container or glass bottle can be kept out in the balcony, in an open balcony, a terrace or a rooftop. And if that's not available, even your windowsill works the best. And before you place it at the windowsill or your terrace, you can bless or set an intention for the water before you leave it for the entire night to soak in the moonlight. Okay, so how will you set the intention? What you can do is, before putting the lid on, you can just place your hand over the container, over the jar. Okay, and once you have done this, you can cite your intention. So say for example, you're looking out for a job or you're looking for healthy relationships. So you can set the intent. It has to be positive. It has to be in present tense. You can say, thank you so much for filling my life with abundance. Thank you so much for filling my life with beautiful relationships. Thank you so much for strengthening my relationship with my spouse. Thank you so much for I earn an X amount of rupees in a month. So whatever your intention is, you can put it. I recommend one intention, one full night, because we have many full moon nights and we can keep doing this activity. Nothing stops us. So I would prefer setting one intention at one time. Okay, once you have done that, put the lid on and place the container for the entire night. Next day morning, the first thing you will do is collect that charged water, pick that container up and take a sip of that water, confirming your intention and feel it that it has already been fulfilled. Okay, so take this first sip. In fact, many people, what they do is they use this as a morning first thing before eating or drinking anything, they will always go and take this as a first sip. Even you can do that for the next 28 days till the next full moon. Okay, what you do is daily in the morning, take a sip from this, just one sip of water. You can also boil this water, pour a little bit of this water in your morning tea. Okay, so add this water to your morning tea and consume it with your tea. You can also put this in a spray bottle and spray it around your house while you're cleaning your house. It's going to clear off all the negative energies and fill your entire environment with loads and loads of positivity. So if you don't have charged water, Ganga Jal, then this water is great to energize your body, purify your energy field. So even if you pour a few sips of this in your bathing water and take a bath with it, it works fantastically well. And this entire process of creating the moon water can be done on every full moon. Every single full moon you can do, but yes, do keep in mind the eclipse. When there is an eclipse, please do not do this. We do not want any adverse effects of eclipse on us. So full moons are beautiful, they are powerful, they are full of energy, and there are plenty of full moons every year. So it gives us a lot of chance to harness the positivity, to center ourselves with what we want. The entire full moon energy can be absorbed thoroughly by us. I have just shared this one most creative way of making the most of the full moon energy. There are many more which I will keep posting soon. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share this video as a token of gratitude for all my sharings. I would love to hear from you in the comments below as to how you have made this full moon water and how you are enjoying the magic that it spreads. So make the most out of it. Happy full moon.